All right. Hopefully we've got this fixed. All right, YPF. I'm watching. I want to keep an eye again on the. Let's take a look here. The mini NASDAQ. Watching the mini NASDAQ. I don't have anything setting up on the mini NASDAQ yet. Small Dow's up 19, very quiet. Mini Russell. Mini Russell. Nothing yet on the mini Russell. We are going to keep an eye on gold this morning. Probably not going to do anything on the energies, maybe natural gas. Let's look at gold. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything on gold that I like. E-mini S&P 500. Nothing there. Spies I see could take a run up. Let's see here. Could see the spies coming up to 451.65. All right. Not a whole lot going on the stock side. All right, JDST. I like JDST. You know what? JDS could have a little bounce. I'm going to buy. I want to buy a little bit of JDST. Yeah, I'm going to buy a little bit of JDST. Buy a little bit of JDST. All right, I have a 708 target. I have a 720. Another 720. All right, let's just leave it at that. All right, GST. Now, what do you have in Cam? You see anything you like? Well, wait a minute. I have to make sure you can hear me. Hold on. I'm not sure this is too much crap running. You can hear me? I can't hear you. See what the hell's going on again. This is ridiculous. Oh, now, okay, now I can hear you. Okay, good. What do you see in here? The only thing I like here is this. I put on some JDST. That's going to probably have to hold on to that. YPF. Okay, let me look at TDIO. Yeah, it sure is. But, I mean, it's a possibility. I mean, there's still some room to play on CDIO.
JDST.
Ooh, did you hear that? Did you hear that? Did you buy a little bit of CDIO? I'm gonna buy it. We have some HFs. We have some setting up here. That's enough for me, just 3. All right, CDIO. I can draw my targets. All right, just added CDIO. I do have a 155 target. Wow, a lot of volume, 8 million already in CDIO. Yeah, I'll tell you here in just a second. Okay. 159 on CDIO. I have another one setting up here. Let's look at that. That would bring me up to 161. CDIO could have a pretty good run in here. All right. All right, these are going to keep me busy here, so we're going to watch these. Hopefully get a nice little pop after the opening. I can get out of some of these. JDST, more than likely, I'll be carrying that throughout the day. JDST is a slow mover. Tends to have a nice little smooth little move. Right now it looks like it's going up, so we're going to go ahead and hold on to that. It did just make a new high as well. So JDST, YPF, we're in, and CDIO. And let's see if we can hit some of these targets up here. YPF already hit its upper targets, but I'm watching to see if I can make it to the open here. Maybe get a nice little pop on the opening and get out of it. Same with CDIO. Not too worried about JDST. I understand that stock pretty well. Just gonna let that go. See what happens on the opening. Make it just a little bit smaller. Yes, sir. Okay, yeah, so what happened is, so my son was coming over. I was watching his dog. And he was turning, just about ready to get on the freeway, and he just got this car not too long ago, and the whole wheel sheared off of his car. It's so weird. It's like, yeah, it's like the tire wasn't, okay, so it's like, I think one of the supporting tie rods probably broke, and it hit and it was in the back right tire. So it hit, it looks like his tire somehow, like it's like his tire somehow stopped, but the wheel was still turning, and it sheared the rim of the tire right off. It was weird. Yeah, it was weird. It was weird. I don't know, man. The wrecker's never seen, the tow guy never seen that before. There was a guy that does like, those road safety guys that drive around and people are stalled, they try to help you out. He was there. He's never seen it before. He said in his 20 years of doing it, I've never seen it before. It was the weirdest thing. So anyway, so they had to tow his car. It was hell getting it on the flatbed. So yeah, so that was the deal. But no, he's fine. It was just the car got really screwed up. So it's still under warranty, but I've never seen that before. That's right. That's right. All right, I'm gonna take this off of mute here, so I can keep talking in the other room. There's nobody in the other room. All right, not yet.
FBIO.
The make of the car is a, what do I call it? Scat Pack? Dodge Scat Pack?
FBIO.
I don't know what happened. Yeah, it was the weirdest thing, Glenn. Well, I had technical difficulties. Everything was locking up again this morning. I don't know. Hopefully, I don't know if this ever. I got too many things running. I don't know if this ever gonna work right. right, so JDST, CDIO. I'm not really worrying about JDST. Like I said, that's kind of a long, what I call a long play. I'll be into that probably a few hours. And I'm trying to get here to the opening bell, so we're almost there. So I'm sorry, folks. I've got to wrap up this, move over into Discord, continue trading. So the game plan is try to get a nice little pop on the upside on 2 or 3 of these stocks.
JDST.
After the opening, I'm going to go ahead and cover. CDIO has not hit my targets yet. I do have a target sitting up here on CDIO, just above 161. I've already gone through everything on YPF, so I'm hoping to see a nice pop on that. If I don't, I'm going to just dump that right away. And there's JDST finally starting to move. All right, well, sorry for the glitch. Just had technical issues. One of these days I'll figure all this out. Glenn, thanks again. You have a great day. And please join us in Discord if you can, all right? All right, everybody, that's it. We'll see you hopefully first thing tomorrow if we don't have any glitches. Adios.